Hello everyone, and welcome back to Skills Academy. Thank you for joining us again in this tutorial, because today we'll learn how to withdraw money from Skrill to your bank account directly. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see the steps. 1. Log into your Skrill account. After you do that, you will see your balance, name and logout options at the top. 2. To pay online, click on Pay Online and complete the necessary registration process. Add money and make your payment. 3. To buy and sell cryptocurrency with Skrill, click on Buy and Sell Crypto and follow the 4 steps to explore Skrill. Complete your registration, add money and start buying or selling crypto. 4. To send money to your bank account, click on the 3rd option at the top, depending on your region and account settings. You can send money instantly to another Skrill account or send money to a bank account abroad. 5. If you want to send money to a bank account abroad, click on Send to Bank Account. You will need to provide details such as the recipient's country, currency, and the amount you want to send. You can choose to pay with a debit or credit card. 6. Fill in the recipient's information, including their name, bank account details, contact information. Skrill may send a verification code to your registered phone number for security. 7. Verify the details and complete the payment. Please note that the specific options and fees may vary based on your location and account settings. Make sure to review the information carefully before proceeding. And that's it guys, as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next video.